Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Janice and you're welcome.
Yeah, straight from London, girl looking cute on her contour, but she came through on the dance floor. Got my feelings so now she wonder.
So as you can probably see by the title, I posted on my Instagram asking if you guys would like me to do a video about my first YouTube paycheck, like all the processes involved, all of it. So I'm here to spill the tea because majority of you said yes. I also give you the opportunity to ask me questions. So I've got my dad's phone and I'm going to be trying my best to answer all your questions. So this is kind of a Q&A. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. You can't come here for all this information and you're not going to subscribe. Boo! Subscribe. So the first thing here is, how did you apply for monetization? Now, let's delve in all the business aspects of YouTube. This is the first thing you need to know. Once you create a YouTube channel, you can only monetize your account once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I have another video about all the things you need to do before you start a YouTube channel, all that. So for more details about this part, you can go watch that video. You can calculate your watch time, all that, on YouTube. You can Google it up, it will show you how to get your watch time. You can check on YouTube Studio, all that. But that's the most difficult thing to get, because if your views are not like high, it means you need to be posting a lot of videos. Some people can get monetized after posting 5 videos, because on each video they are getting maybe 30k views. So after that 5 videos, you're going to get their 4,000 hours of watch time. But if you're getting 2k views, maybe you're going to get 4,000 hours after 15 videos or 20 videos. It's up to your growth. So after you hit your 1k subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, you can open YouTube Studio on a computer. I would advise you, because the process, I don't think you can do it on your phone actually. Open YouTube on your computer, go to YouTube Studio, you see monetization. Then it's kind of like it goes from there. You see the steps, all the things you need to provide, and you continue from there. How are you paid? According to likes, subscribers, or what? The thing is, subscribers does not really affect how you get paid. Personally, I'm going to say is the views, because you get paid by ads, not by how many people watched your videos or by how many people are subscribed to your channel. You don't get paid by subscribers, none of that. You get paid by ads. Ads are put on your videos once you're monetized. So it's kind of like the number of people that watch through your ads, and that is kind of like the views, but not really, because some people don't watch your whole video, which means they are not seeing all your ads. Some people are just skipping. So it's kind of complicated, but the views matter more. The thing is, like, you want the subscribers as well, because more subscribers automatically means more views, but not also like that. Because for example, I have a video that has 100,000 views, but I only have 10-something thousand subscribers. Do you get? A lot of people don't actually subscribe when they watch. So the important thing is the views and whether they are watching through your whole video. How did you link your channel to your account? Okay, so you get paid through something called AdSense. It's called Google AdSense. You have to create a Google AdSense account and you link it to your YouTube channel. Google AdSense is not only for YouTube, but I'm talking about YouTube right now. One of the processes is you receive a code from Google AdSense. So for example, this is the letter I got. So it has like your identification code on it. It's just to make sure you're a real person, you're who you say you are, or that. Once you get the code, you can put it in, and then that's when you can link like your account to the Google AdSense account, which is linked to YouTube. YouTube doesn't pay you directly. Your revenue from YouTube goes to Google AdSense, and Google AdSense pays you like that. You can request for this code, but you need to enter the code within 4 months since you applied for monetization. I had issues with this because when I was in Ghana, I requested for the code about 3 times. It did not come. You know, at that point I didn't care, because the amount of money I was making on YouTube, I couldn't get paid. Another thing is, no, I'll come back today, but I didn't really care. But when I came back to Germany, I realized that YouTube stopped putting ads on my videos, and it was because my 4 months were up and I hadn't inputted my code, which was very annoying because at that point I was making real money on YouTube and they took off my ads. So chase your code, like chase your code. Make sure you chase your code. Once you get your code, Google AdSense will send an amount of money to your bank account. You get paid by, you can't, this one is not mobile money, it's a bank account. They'll send, like, for me, for example, for me, they send 99 cents. Like, they'll send a number of cents and you have to input the amount they send to you. It's also an identification check just so that they know, okay, the account is valid or that. And that's when money can start flowing because all the identifications are there. You get, yeah. When you first get monetized, depending on your growth, your views, all that, it might be very little in the beginning. For example, I got monetized in, I think, March this year, and I was making like 99 cents on one video, or $1 on one video, or $2. Like that's how much, maybe at most $3. That is how much I was making when I first got monetized. Okay, it doesn't come like that. Like, the money doesn't just start flowing, because the amount of views I was getting were maybe 3k views, 4k views, even 5k views. Maybe I'll make only $2. So boo, seriously, when they tell you don't enter YouTube for the money, it's facts, because it's very discouraging. The thing is also that you can't get paid until you cross the $100 threshold within that month. So as I was making this amount of money on one video, $2 on one video, I was monetized for like forever and I wasn't getting paid. Like, the money is just there. You see, okay, it meant $20, you need 80 more to go. So I made my first $100 in September. I got monetized in March. I made my first $100 in September. So think about it. It's not like that for everyone. Some people are getting views, like views upon views upon views. So you can imagine those people are making maybe $20 a video, $30 a video, $50 a video, $100 a video, one video, and they've crossed the threshold. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So it's also up to your views. So if you're making 2 cents, 99 cents, just know it's your views. How long it took? Okay, I want to say I created in total, let me say, about a year. I created my YouTube channel in June 2019. I got monetized in March. The whole processes, everything took a while. I got my code in September. The first money I saw on my account from YouTube, I think, was in October, early October or late September. I'm not sure. Okay, the next question is, how did you feel? Okay, I was very excited because I'm cashing out. How would you feel if all your hard work finally pays off and you get your first paycheck? Like, how would you feel after such a long time? Do you get paid monthly? So the answer to this question is yes, as long as you cross the $100 threshold. So for example, YouTubers get paid on the 21st of every month. So by the 21st of the month, if you have crossed the $100 threshold, you will get paid. So let me just give an example. For example, 21st of last month, I got paid for my earnings in September. So it's like this month I'll get paid for my earnings I made in October. In December, I'll get paid for the earnings I made in this month, November. So that's how it is. But if you don't cross the $100 threshold, you don't get paid that month. You don't lose the money. It stays on your account. You just don't get paid that month. So it's like on the 21st, all the money you've made, like till that day, moves to your Google AdSense account. Then any video you post from after 21st keeps on piling again till the next 21st. If it reaches $100, it will move to your AdSense account and Google AdSense will pay you every month. If you don't make it, if you make 99, 80, 85, 95, you have to wait till the next month. I hope I've answered your question. Do you get paid immediately you get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers? No. As I told you guys, once you hit that threshold, then ads start coming on your videos. Your videos now become monetized. You now start making the little. It keeps growing. You have to reach $100. You have to have received your verification code, going through all the identification processes. Then you get paid. Who pays YouTubers? This is a good question. So the whole thing is companies, YouTubers. YouTube is like the middleman. So all these companies, you know, when you're watching videos and you see all these ads from everywhere, like all across the world, like all these ads, all these different companies, these companies are paying YouTube to put their ads on the various channels. Now that's why you get paid. You get paid for the ads, the advertisements. So it's like technically the companies that whose ads are on your videos are the ones paying you, but not really, because YouTube is the one paying you, because YouTube is like the middleman. YouTube has given you the opportunity to be able to get paid, and has also given the companies the opportunity to be able to advertise. So that's how it is. But you receive your money at the end of the day from Google AdSense. When do you think it's best to create an AdSense account? As long as you know you want to get paid on YouTube. I think once you've reached the threshold of monetization, just create an AdSense account. Or once you've started the process of monetization, create an AdSense account, because the process also takes time. So before you make big money, let the process be working. How are you able to include ads? Does YouTube give you a notice or something? Once you've reached 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube does send you an email, but you can also keep track on it from YouTube Studio, as I said. And then it takes a few weeks, a few days or a few weeks. Then they tell you that, then you see it that you can enable ads now. Then you can turn on monetization. So it's like on your YouTube Studio, it will be updated. There'll be a new button over there for you to turn on monetization. You can select where you want your ads to be, in the beginning of the video, the middle of the video. You can, all that, it's on YouTube Studio. Keep in mind that some of your videos may not get monetized because of copyright claims, or when they are deemed as inappropriate. I have one video on my channel that is not monetized, the reacting to your confessions video. It was deemed as inappropriate for ads, because it's like, you know, if your videos are inappropriate, companies don't want their ads on that video, then they are not monetized. If you have copyright claims, either they are not monetized or any revenue you make goes to the copyright owner, not you. Be careful about your content. Even before you start getting paid, be careful about your content, because it's like after your whole monetization process is finished and you're able to start getting paid, your old videos that you posted before you were monetized can be monetized as well. So don't just think about, oh, I'm not making money, so I don't care about copyright. You can make money on that video in the future, but if you don't pay attention to copyright issues, when you're finally monetized and that video is still getting a lot of views, you can't make money on it. I had a similar issue like that with one of my videos. I used a song, I didn't even know it was copyright. I didn't care, obviously, because I wasn't monetized. When I got monetized, that video was blowing up and they removed the ads from it because copyright claim. It was very hurtful. So pay attention whether you're monetized or not. Just for your own self in the future, pay attention to all copyrights, music, everything. Be careful about it. How do you create an AdSense account? You go on Google, type in Google AdSense, then you sign up. You know, Google AdSense is like a platform to get paid from various mediums. YouTube is one of them. You sign up, connect your YouTube channel. Once you just click sign up, everything flows from there. Like, you would see what you need to do. It's not difficult at all. A lot of people are asking me if you can get paid through Momo. No, you can't. You need a bank account. If you really don't have a bank account, you can link somebody's account who you trust, maybe a parent or something, and get that person to send you your money through Momo, I guess. Did you know you were going to be paid for making YouTube videos? Well, yeah, I knew that people get paid for making videos. I didn't know how well that would go for me. I didn't know when I would reach that point in my life. None of that. But I knew it can happen. Like, you can get there if you have enough patience and put in hard work. You can get paid from YouTube. If you really want to, all I can say is work hard for it. Okay, anyone can get paid. Okay, these are all the questions. A lot of questions are repeating things I've already answered. Now, if you look at my average, okay, let me give an example just so that you guys can kind of have an idea of how much you can get paid per your views. I can't tell you how it's calculated because I don't know how it's calculated. All I know is the views matter more than the subscribers. So my acne video is the video with the most views on my channel. It has 100,000 plus views, and I've made about $300 approximately on my acne video. Now you can kind of approximate. Yeah, let me give you guys a total how much I have made. I don't know the exact figure, but it's around $800 from September till now. Let me just say, in September I made my first $100. So keep that in mind. From that $100 in September till now, today is 14th November, in total I have made about $800 approximately. So you can tell that after my first $100 in these 2 months, it has been going well. Like, it has been rising. So it's not automatically that you make $100 in a month. No, it can be far more than that, depending on your views, depending on how much your videos blew up and stuff. I've had a lot of videos last month which really helped me get the figures I'm getting now, and hopefully it just keeps growing and growing. If you slack, your figures will drop. That's facts. Okay, try to be consistent, try to post good quality videos that people are interested in, videos that you think might blow up, and yeah, just have a strategy for yourself, because YouTube can be a high paying business if you really work hard at it. I've answered everything I could think of. If there are some questions you had that I haven't spoken about, or some details I left out, there are so many other videos on YouTube that you can go watch, you can go check out. Hopefully you'll be satisfied with this video. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, because I am doing post notification shout outs. So today's post notification shout out goes to, I'm going to put your name right here. And as always, I'll be back with more videos. Peace.